In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shortcut for email templates folder in Outlook ribbon. If you use email templates often, adding a one-click button to your ribbon will save you time and keep your workflow consistent. This walkthrough is for Classic Outlook on Windows. Start by opening Classic Outlook. If your Outlook looks very minimal or is labeled as the new Outlook, switch back to the Classic version for this customization. With Outlook open, go to the File tab, then choose Options. This opens the Outlook Options window where you can customize the interface and features. In the Options window, select Customize ribbon on the left. On the right side, you'll see a list of tabs, like Home, Send, Receive, and others. Choose the tab where you want your shortcut to leave. Home is the most convenient for most people. With the tab selected, click New Group. You'll see a new custom group appear under that tab. Select your new group, click Rename, and give it a clear name such as Email Templates so it's easy to recognize later. Now we'll add the actual command. On the left side, open the Choose Commands from drop-down and select All Commands. This reveals the full list of available commands. Scroll down to find Choose Form. Select it, then click Add so it moves into your new email templates group on the right. The Choose Form command is the key because it opens the dialog where your saved email templates are stored, including any templates you've created and saved on your computer. Click OK to save your changes and close the Options window. You'll now see your new email templates group on the ribbon, with the Choose Form button inside it. Whenever you click this button, the Choose Form window opens. From the Look-in drop-down, select User Templates in File System to display your personal email templates. Pick the template you want and click Open to start a new message with that template pre-filled. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see your new group, make sure you're on the tab where you added it, like Home. You can return to Customize ribbon anytime to rename the group or move it up or down so it's more prominent. And if you're using the new Outlook interface, note that customization options may be limited. This method is designed for Classic Outlook. That's it. Thanks for watching.